Hi guys, welcome back to my life. Today we'll be talking about a company which is a cement manufacturer, and it's a massive company. Majorly came into and ventured into India from Germany, and they have been functioning in India for quite some time now, approximately 20 years, and they've been making quite a lot of money and promoting and has been contributing in the development strategy and the growth strategy of India. So this company has a market cap of approximately 3,531 crores, whereas 1 year ago when we made a video of the stock, that time the price of the stock was 180 rupees and the market cap of the stock was 4075 crores. Overall, if we see, the company is delivering a dividend of approximately 2.5% on a yearly basis. That means if you're investing, let's say, 100 rupees in the stock, you will be getting around 2.5 rupees in your bank account, directly credited in your bank account. The company even has a good institutional and mutual fund holding of approximately 18.75%, and mutual fund holding of 18.75%. So that's a good thing, and it's really optimistic, and it's really nice if mutual fund and the institutions show interest in a company and purchase the shares of any company. Further, the company's sales have been growing at a decent rate. In 2016, the sales of the company were 1895 crores, and in 2014, the sales of the company were 1400 crores. Now, in 2019, the sales of the company came out to be approximately 2100 crores. So, the sales growth, if you see, it is pretty decent. Considering the fact that the company is working up regularly, and because of the COVID reason and so many other factors, because of the change in governments and so many other factors, the company was able to grow at a decent rate, and in 2019 the profit numbers of the company came out to be 220 crores. That was, the company was working on a profit and net profit margin of approximately 10%. If we see, the earning per share of the company in 2019 came out to be 9.75, and we are expecting that the company, let's say, if the company keeps on growing at the rate of, let's say, only 10%, assuming that the earning per share of the company grows at 10% year on year, then we can expect that by 2024 the new earning per share of the company will increase to approximately 15.68. So the company here is Heidelberg Cement, and the company's total asset base stands at 2700 crores, whereas the company's debt is 611 crores. The book value of the stock stands at 51 crores only. Moving further, talking about the price and the historical price movement, the price has been fluctuating a lot, but it has not corrected massively, like we've seen other stocks falling down. The current PE band in which the company moves, usually it moves between 20 and 37. Current PE of the stock is 16.19. So in order to calculate the future expected returns that we can get from the stock, we will have to multiply minimum PE of 20, which by 15.68, which is the future expected earning per share of the next 5 years, we can get that we are expecting that stock price will be around 314 rupees over the next 5 years. So that will yield approximately 15% on a yearly basis if you invest in the stock right now at the current levels of 157 rupees. The company's auditors are SN Dhawan and Company LLP. Further, the company's support stands at 134 rupees, and the resistance stands at 200 rupees. Overall, the liquidity in the company is good, so you don't have to worry about that. But the only concern that we are facing here is that still, because market has corrected, still we have other different opportunities that are there in the market which you can consider into jumping into. But if you already hold Heidelberg, then you can hold on to the stock, because it's definitely going to rise and deliver good returns over the next 5 years. And since we are expecting 15% on a minimum side, it can be it can be a pretty sweet investment. So that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Signing off, Siddhant Goel from FinLife. If you've not yet subscribed, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you have any comments, feel free to mention them in the comment box.